we're listening to that Jackara, bro. Jason the Wind. Subscribe, bro.
Boy, if you don't get...
Let's meet up, Jason. Let's clap, bro. Together in LA. And say we're on the way. Love like Tens and Kaide. Tens and Kaide. Love like Tens and Kaide. Jackson Wayne. Let's clap, bro. You can see the waterfall now. Damn, we're on top of the SOS mode, guys. No service right now. Can't stream. I was gonna stream. What?
Many months later.
I'm crazy, bro. Look at this. Ah, bro. What the heck? Oh my God. Bruh. Whoa, this is actually so dangerous. We're gonna swing from that tree over there. You see that? Craziest experience, bro. Boy, it's crazy. We went explore the whole forest, bro. Chat, we here. Oh, what I try to do, chat. You know all the branches? Like I was up there. We were like right there. We trying to swing them from. Yeah. No, like I try to like just use the branch to get down here, like, you know, swing, like go down from the branch, like these branches. Bro is not about that life. Yeah, I said nah. I could have died, so, you know, I'd rather not risk it. We were like up there. Like I couldn't take a video because if I did, I would have fallen. I had to like hold on to our feet. So slipper, it's slipper.
Raining and so it's slipper. Yeah.
It's slipper, chat. I have my slippers on. Look how dirty my feet is. You see, that's how you know I went over here.
Oh my God! Wow!
Chat, we could have low-key walked down here too. Like, you see that? But the thing is, to get here, right? It's so hard. Look, you see, like, you know.
What?
Yeah, water feels so cool. Clean water. Adventurous, bro. We be doing this. Like a swimming trip. But I swim, so I gotta take off. Yeah, we gotta bring that Tommy shoe. I just slipped, bro. All my bag is wet. What is this? Boy, it feel like it's gonna rain though.
2 hours later.
Stop him, man.
You know I'm gon' blast off. In the Bentley truckin', I be going so fast.